G is for giraffe, so tall and grand, walking through the trees across the land. G is for glass, clear and bright, hold your drink and sip delight. G is for goose, it honks with cheer, flapping its wings, it's always near. G is for grandfather, wise and kind, stories and hugs, the best you'll find. G is for gorilla, big and strong, swinging in the jungle all day long. G is for green, the color of trees, the grass, the leaves blowing in the breeze. G is for guitar, it plays so sweet, strumming the strings, a musical treat. G is for gift, a surprise for you, let's open it up, oh what's inside too. Oh G, what do you see? So many words, come sing with me. Giraffe, goose and garlic too, Germany's a country with skies so blues. H is for hammer, bang bang bang, building things with a clang clang clang. H is for helicopter, flying high, spinning blades zoom through the sky. H is for hen, laying eggs all day, clucking in the coop, happy and gay. H is for house, a cozy place, a home full of love and a warm embrace. H is for hat, put it on your head, a cowboy hat or a cap instead. H is for house, where we live and play, with windows and doors, it's home every day. Oh H, what do we hear? Hammer and helicopter, loud and clear. Hen and house and a beating heart, learning H is such a great start. I is for iron, smoothing the crease, making your clothes look neat with ease. I is for ice, so frosty and cool, it melts in the summer, a natural rule. I is for Ireland, green and free, fields and castles by the sea steam. I is for iron, strong and tough, building bridges and towers, it's made of such stuff. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet, a cone or a cup, it's such a treat. Oh I, what can we find? Ice, Ireland and iron combined, so many words and we've just begun, learning I is so much fun. Let's put them together, G-H-I, sing them loud, reach for the sky. G for goose and garlic to eat, H for heart that always beats. All on, up for ice and Ireland so green, learning these letters is a wonderful scene. Oh G-H-I, your greatest dream, with every word there's so much to do. Giraffe, head and iron so bright, we've learned so much, let's sing tonight. Next G-H-I, clap your hands with me, learning the alphabet is the key. We'll sing again and have more fun, the ABC journey has just begun.